So in this Neo Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up a checking account on the Neo Financial application. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left, press accounts right here, and then just scroll down a little bit to where it says accounts, and then press on get an account. Once you're on this page right here under accounts, there's the checking account and the savings account. We want to go ahead and proceed with the checking account. So once you're on this page, you can read all about the Neo checking account. So the monthly fees are 0, the minimum balance is 0, the interest rate is 0.1%. You can also get cash back from your spending. There's free e-transfers, all this type of stuff. And if this looks good to you, go to the bottom and press on add an account, which I will do right now. And then you can start the process of signing up for a checking account by giving your basic information, tax information, and then verifying your identity, and then proceeding that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to open up a checking account on Neo Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.